Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a cat playing. All right. So to start with, our cat is going to have a ball. Now, if you want to get a template and draw a ball, you can. Or you can just draw a ball. Here it is. There's the ball. Okay. And we're gonna have a paw, and we're gonna use a hairy line here, just like that. And we're gonna have another hairy line kind of coming up like this, because it's a fuzzy, hairy cat. And then we're gonna have paw, 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 like so. And then we're gonna have another line here, and then it's gonna come over here, have another line. And we're gonna put a little triangle here. And we're gonna put a little hook line here and a little hook line here for the cat face. And then we're gonna draw a little cat chin. And we're gonna have some little whiskers, and maybe put a little cat nose here, little breathing holes. Okay, then we're gonna come kind of up from the mouth, do an arched line, and then we're gonna do a line like that, and then another line in there. And then we're gonna come up here, do the same thing. And then a little something there. There it is, okay? Then we're gonna draw some little fur lines and some little furry eyebrows. Okay. And maybe some fur coming up this way. Just some suggestions. And then we're gonna do just a little furry top hat here, top of the head. And then we're gonna do a little triangle, Then we're gonna do another little line here and another line there. And then we're gonna do some little furries coming all the way down to where his shoulders are. Like that. That looks like a nice cat. And then we're gonna do some little ear hairs. Okay, then we're gonna have another line kind of coming here, and another line coming like so, with some little paw marks. Kind of fur those up. All right, then here's a little cat belly. And then we've got the little back foot down here, and the little cat knee coming up here. And then we've got the other leg kind of coming down. And then we've got the little toes. And then it kind of comes back. It's foreshortened a little bit, you know, because it's coming at you. And maybe we should like kind of put the cat little paws there. There we go. Some cats have big feet. Okay, then we're gonna come down this way. And then we're gonna come back around for the cat butt. And then what are we missing? A tail. Okay, so the tail's gonna come right out of the rump here. And you know what? I think I'm gonna have my tail kind of coming up something like this and kind of coming up and coming back down. There we go. That looks pretty good. Put a little value in here because, you know, this leg is in front of the other leg. Maybe put a little value under here, under their face to kind of frame their face a little more. He's a very playful kitty. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit. Yes, very playful. All right, we'll put a little line here. So now they're standing on the floor. Maybe a little shading. Meow, meow. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.